In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your billing date on your Netflix subscription. So if any reason you want to change the day of your billing on your Netflix subscription, this is a really easy thing to do. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Netflix app on your mobile. Once you click on that, you will now need to click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner of your screen. Click on your profile picture and then you can now select account. Once you select account, it will redirect you over to your browser, and as you can see towards the bottom end of the page, there is an option now for change billing day. You need to select this option right here, and then it will bring you to this page. So currently your membership is billed on the 18th of each month, but if you want to change this, all you simply need to do is click on the drop down menu, click on whatever date that you want, for example the 22nd, and then you can click on review and confirm. So what you see as you click on that, today you will see a charge of £1.28. So the likelihood is that you will get a little bit of a charge in order for you to change the billing date. But if you are happy with this, all you simply need to do now is click on the confirm button, and then that will change the date of your billing on Netflix. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.